Hi everybody, my name's Jacob. We're here in my apartment in Minneapolis, and today I'm going to show you how to assemble the Sylphy office chair by Okamura. The chair comes in three pieces. You've got the main body, the base, and a gas cylinder. So I'm just going to get started by inserting the gas cylinder into the base of the chair like this. Okay, so then the final step is to just slot the chair onto that gas cylinder. So this is where keeping the box comes in handy. You want to be able to have some good leverage. The chair is pretty heavy. Don't grab it by the arms. You want to grab it by the base here and the top here. And then that way you get some good leverage and you're protecting the chair as well. And that's all there is to it. I would say from start to finish that was about 5 minutes or so. If you have any questions, you can always go online at roomandboard.com to chat with a customer care associate there, or you can call 1-800-301-9720.